Well, my company is myself, and I've got two sons. I've got Josh is 48 years old, Mike's 50 years old, and they both help me run the company. We've got about 250 Peterbilts scattered throughout California. We've got a yard in Dixon, California, Fireball, California, Hanford, California, and Bakersfield. We're very diversified in our hauling. In the agricultural scene here in California, we haul grapes, tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, almonds, walnuts, pistachios. In our non-agricultural hauling, we haul sand and gravel into a plant here in Dixon. Also, Josh, he runs 25 hay trucks hauling alfalfa hay out of Oregon and Nevada, bringing the hay into the dairies here in California. My dad was an owner-operator, and his first truck was a 46 Peterbilt. He bought it used, and then he bought a new Peterbilt in 60, 65, 70, and then in 78, he was buying a new truck, and I went up and I bought a new Peterbilt. That was my first truck, so my dad had all Peterbilts, and so I kind of followed along the tradition. I've been all Peterbilts throughout my, 45 years. When I'm gone, my sons, Mike and Josh, will run the company. And then my grandson, Cody, well, everything that we haul, he gets involved. But Cody's 23 years old. And so I would hope that this company just keeps rolling. I know Josh, that's what Josh wants to do, and that's what Cody wants to do. So hopefully we're around for at least another 50 years. Well, Dobbs has been very good to me. You know, they're the local Peterbilt dealership, so it makes it good for me, you know, being able to deal with a local company. The pricing is always good. I no complaints about the pricing, and another thing that I really like about Dobbs Peterbilt is their parts department. They do a very good job. If they don't have the part, they'll have it for me the next day. And pricing on their parts, I'm looking at probably 20% less than what I could buy at other parts houses. Between their salespeople are good people, the pricing is good, the parts department is good, warranty work. We don't have a lot of warranty work because they're good trucks. But when we do have warranty work, they get it in and out of the shop.